Imagine taking off in freezing conditions only to realize a hidden danger is lurking on the runway, invisible to the naked eye. It's not just snow and ice you should fear. Sometimes the very fluids designed to keep planes safe can introduce unexpected risks. Today we uncover the secret world of airport runway de-icing, where chemistry, physics, and precision engineering come together to fight an invisible enemy that could bring entire flights to a halt. So what's the big deal? Well, let's talk about one of aviation's most dangerous hidden threats, supercooled water. These are liquid droplets that remain unfrozen even below 0 degrees Celsius. They might look harmless, but the moment they touch a cold surface, like an aircraft wing, a sensor, or the runway, they freeze instantly. This thin, nearly invisible layer of ice can disrupt airflow, reduce lift, and compromise control. In aviation physics, even a tiny amount of surface roughness can drastically alter how air flows over the wing, turning a safe takeoff into a potential catastrophe. That's why every winter, before takeoff, airports engage in a precise, scientifically calibrated ritual, the process of de-icing and anti-icing. It's a battle against microscopic dangers to keep us all safe. To fight ice, airports rely on powerful chemical formulations, specially engineered fluids that blend science with safety. The first responders are Type 1 fluids. These are thin, heated mixtures of propylene glycol and water that rapidly melt existing ice and prevent immediate refreezing. Think of them as a quick software patch, effective but short-lived. But for longer protection, Type IV fluids come into play. These thicker, green-tinted solutions coat the surface like armor, forming a barrier that prevents new supercooled droplets from bonding. Their job is to buy time, ensuring that by the time the aircraft reaches takeoff speed, no ice can form and compromise lift. It's precision chemistry, with every droplet designed to protect against another droplet. At the molecular level, de-icing fluids work through a process called freezing point depression. The chemicals, mainly glycols and polymers, disrupt the hydrogen bonds that normally let water molecules crystallize into ice. In simple terms, they confuse water, lowering its freezing point so it stays liquid even when temperatures drop below 0. This scientific principle can be demonstrated easily. Spray a small amount of glycol-based de-icing fluid onto a frosted surface and watch how it melts instantly. The same chemistry that keeps your car windshield clear in winter also keeps jetliners safely airborne. It's science in action, invisible, but absolutely vital to every safe winter takeoff. Applying de-icing fluid isn't just spraying and hoping for the best. It's a precision operation. Each aircraft has a holdover time, the window during which the fluid remains effective before new ice can form. Meteorologists, engineers, and ground crews work together to calculate this critical window, accounting for temperature, precipitation type, and wind speed. A single miscalculation could lead to refreezing or an unnecessary delay. But this operation also comes with an environmental cost. The runoff of glycol-rich fluids can impact soil and water systems. That's why modern airports use recovery and recycling systems, capturing spent fluids, purifying them, and minimizing their ecological impact. It's a perfect example of how aviation safety and environmental responsibility must work hand in hand. As climate patterns shift and winters become more unpredictable, the science of de-icing continues to evolve. From electrically heated runways that prevent ice formation in the first place to nano coatings that repel water at the molecular level, innovation never stops. Researchers are also developing biodegradable, plant-based de-icing fluids that match glycol's performance without the environmental drawbacks. Some airports are even experimenting with infrared de-icing hangars where aircraft are thawed using radiant heat instead of chemicals. These advancements represent the future of proactive safety, stopping the problem before it ever begins. Every winter flight you take is protected by an unseen army of scientists, engineers, and technicians, Behind the mist of de-icing spray lies a world of physics, chemistry, and precision planning, all focused on one mission: keeping you safe. So the next time your flight is delayed for de-icing, remember, it's not just routine maintenance. It's the front line of safety, the intersection of science and survival. This is the hidden science behind airport runway de-icing, where every drop of fluid tells a story of innovation, vigilance, and the endless pursuit of safety. Thanks for watching. And if you found this as fascinating as we did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the world around us.